Dear students, hope you all are well and fine at your home and taking proper precautions for this pandemic COVID-19. And I hope you are also watching the YouTube videos of your favorite subject, that is chemistry, and simultaneously you will do the PDF files, you will do the assignments which are given to you in the form of the PDF along with this videos. And I hope you are put your fine and honest efforts for learning the subject. Now students, first the most important in this chapter, the chemical kinetics, we are going for the completion of this chapter. We have this topic, that is plots for various different order reactions. Now for the first, that is for the zero order reaction, it is rate versus concentration, or we can say that time versus concentration, and third one is T half versus concentration. In this we are going to form these three different plots. Now students, first, that is rate versus concentration. Rate is equal to k a raised to power 0, and anything in mathematics, that is a raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So rate is equal to k, which means rate is independent of the concentration of reactants. So if we are going to plot between rate and concentration, it is a parallel line to the x-axis, which shows that rate is independent of the concentration of reactants. For the second part, that is time versus concentration, for this remember the relation, that is k is equal to 1 upon T a naught minus a. This implies kt is equal to a naught minus a. This implies a is equal to minus kt plus a naught, and this equation represents, if we compare this equation with the straight line equation, it is resembles with y is equal to mx plus c, in which minus k is the slope. So if we are going to plot between this T and A concentration, then we get a line which is also straight line but with slope is equal to minus k. So that is the slope which is equal to minus k. Now for the third plot, that is between T half versus concentration. For the relation T half for the zero order reaction is equal to a naught upon 2k. Just resemble this relation, and since 2 is constant, k is constant, so T half is directly proportional to a naught. If it is directly proportional to a naught, and if we draw the plot between concentration and T, it is a straight line which shows T half is directly proportional to a naught. So dear students, these are the most important plots which you have to remember from these equations. Rate is equal to k, a is equal to minus kt plus a naught, and T half is equal to a naught by 2k. This graph is parallel to the rate versus concentration is parallel to the x-axis. This is the graph with slope is equal to minus k and intercept equal to a naught. Here it is a straight line for T half between a naught. So this is the most important according to the competition point of view as well as from the paper point of view. Thank you.